The JFK daiquiri. If not now, when? This is all the president's drinks. John Kennedy loved daiquiris so much that Jackie Kennedy wrote her recipe down for the White House staff to follow. We're gonna make that recipe, friends. We're making one drink. We'll start with 1 shot of light rum. Then Jackie's recipe calls for a shot of limeade. Look, if you're a fancy cocktail person, you might be like, oh my God, putting limeade in a cocktail? But look, I mean, if you want to argue with Jackie Kennedy's taste, go ahead. Good luck. So then we do about a half a shot of freshly squeezed lime juice. Now here's the secret ingredient that Jackie would always put in her daiquiris. It's falernum, and it's got lime and spices and just delicious. A little bit of sugar in it. Now you can either buy the kind that has alcohol in it. This has a little rum in it, and this one is non-alcoholic, and it's just a regular syrup. You can use either, don't worry about it. Jackie said a few drops. Boop, that looked like a few drops to me. And then we're going to add some ice to the cocktail shaker. And shake it. And here we go. Yes, ice cold daiquiri, just like JFK liked. The JFK daiquiri, it's familiar and glamorous, like Jack and Jackie themselves. I'm Mary Beth Albright with the Washington Post. Cheers.